I'm nowhere close to a perfect man, and it takes a supernatural love to even understand that behind the walls, behind the mask and confident smile, was a broken man trying to grow up and make life worth a while. When I look in the mirror and I don't like what I see, I just thank you for always loving me. And I know I get bad, but you wait patiently. I wanna thank you for always loving me. Before I call, Lord, you hear. You stand strong, you stand tall. The devil tried to bring me down, but you hold on. You say no. You are great. You are strong. None like you. None like you. You are good. You are kind. None like you. None like you. So tell me, what can I do? 'Cause I can live without you, and I can live without you. So tell me, what can I do? 'Cause I can live without you, and I can live without you. So here's my heart, and here's my mind. I give you my soul, Lord. I need you to take control, 'cause I've tried it, Lord. I've tried it on my own, but what I found is I can make it on my own, on my own. I can make it, I can make it on my own, on my own. I can make it, I can make it. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Where he says I'm at, I know who I am. I